Hey, welcome back to the channel. Our friends over at PZY sent me a new kit. This is the PZY Ferrari F40 Liberty Walk. So I have a test one, so there were no instructions in it, but I got the instructions PDF in PDF format sent to me. So we'll take a look at that in a little bit. But first, let's see what's in this box. Like always, I'm just going to take all the pieces out of the box, and then we'll look at them one by one. Most important is the body. Okay, looking at the body first. The wide body flares. Very cool hood there. Back end, the wing is a separate piece. Interior tub. It's got molded in pedals. Our engine, and it's separate, so easy. This will look convincing when it's underneath the glass. And of course, just a flat chassis. This will be an easy kit. There aren't many pieces, but the pieces that are here are very nicely detailed. Nicely cushioned seat. Detail on the back. This is our back window. Got some nice thin diffusers. Here's our turbo setup, wastegate. Nice exhaust manifolds. Here's our back wing, and it's actually a two-piece wing. Door panels. On the real car, these are kind of blank anyways. Steering wheel. Here's our dashboard. Very, very nice. Separate pieces for the vents here. Here's our taillight bezels. Here's our door handles. Very delicate. Yeah, so like I said, not many pieces. Here's our rims and tires, fronts and rears. Nice, nice. Here's our clear pieces, back window, nice louvered. For being cast resin, this is really nice. There's our taillights and our headlights. This little bag has 3D printed parts. Very delicate windshield wiper. Looks like supports for the front splitter. I'm not really sure what this one is, but I'll have to look at the instructions. I think it's the for the wing. This is bag number 1, and this one has the turned aluminum valve stems, as well as the shifter, the screws that hold it together. We have black and red ribbon for the seatbelts. And we have brake faces and mirrors in photo etched. Obviously, I don't want to open this bag because those tiny little valve stems, those could be easily lost. And the big bag of goodies, we have the nameplate. Love these things. The windows that nobody cares for. Some metallic faces for the mirrors and the Ferrari emblems and the horses. One big sheet of photo etched here. Looks like we have all of the vents and the window surrounds for the sides and for the front. The big piece of photo etched for the rear. Another wiper in photo etched this time instead of printed. I think I'll use the printed one. It looks a little more realistic. And more brake faces. And these look like for the wing. And then it's on to decals. So first decal, we've got some tire decals here. LB Performance, Liberty Walk. Tiny Liberty Walk. Those must be for the brakes. That's decal sheet number 1. Decal sheet number 2 is a Golf livery. Decal sheet number 3 is for a Shell livery. Another one with some carbon fiber decals. Some tiny, tiny stuff. Another decal sheet. This must be for a racing version. Oh, Pilot. Okay, so this is that blue car. And more decals. I like this one a lot with the rising sun. And another sheet of decals, carbon fiber, the backs of the seats. Looks like the center section, center console. Yeah, that's good stuff. So like I said in the video, this is a simplified kit as far as PZY kits are concerned. This one is a little on the lower parts count. It's going to build into a beautiful model. I can't wait to get to it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video.